Yes, speaking. What? No. Sorry. I was just carried away by. I was just thinking my children. Yeah, I'm trying. Just give me ample of time to recover. No, I was just trying to reiterate that I am not neglecting my obligations. I will pay all my arrears. As a matter of fact, I started to work now, despite of difficulties. No, don't. Please, don't. This is the only conjugal property left in me since my better half died. Reconsider it, please. That is inhumane. I know my rights. I still have 2 years to redeem this property. Why so soon? Yes. Why did you turn the phone off? What? No. So sorry. I was just carried away by. I was just thinking my children. Yeah, I am trying. Just give me ample of time to recover. No, I was just trying to reiterate that I am not neglecting my obligations. I will pay all my arrears. As a matter of fact, I started to work now, despite of difficulties. No, don't, please, don't.
I guess father has some problems to solve. So, if you ever need something, tell me. Maybe your big sister could give you a little help.
I wasn't able to take my periodical exams because the admin told me that they will impose the no pay, no exam policy. I have as deep as the ocean depth at the school. So I want to talk to my father. Ah! Ah! Mother, you taught me how to be strong and not to be defeated of the trial. You forgot to teach me not to cry. Papa!
Princess? Come back here! Princess! Oh my! She's lost! Alex! Help me call the ambulance! Alex! Where's he? Alex! Alex! Help me find Princess! This is Alisa Sibukao of 111964 Matampuin Street, Teachersville, Mandaluyong. We have an emergency here. Oh, yes, a cadaver. Thanks.
Have you seen my papa? Have you seen my papa? He promised me he sent me to school. Where is my papa? Can you tell him I'm waiting?
I know where to locate your father. Come, and I'll bring you there.
Help me! Help us! Our father died, left us nothing. Help us, please! I'm hungry!
Alex? Princess! Alex! Princess! Where are you? Alex! Princess!
I'll bring you to your father.
No, thank you, Mr.
Mr. Hannigan at your service. I guess you're in trouble. Count on me. I'm here to help you. Help me on. I'm here to help you.